ko lang siguro mga 10 minutes. Tapos nag-aasing asawa kung pwede ba ako magluto ng breakfast. Kasi work siya, wala akong work. Kasi off ako today. Kaya nagluto ako ng breakfast. And that's my breakfast. So I've got a sunny side up egg, bacon, and bread. I baked this bread. I didn't make the bread, but I baked the bread. It was already made. You just put it in the oven. And of course, with some butter and black coffee. Kasi katapos ko lang mag-shower. Tapos baba na naman ako para kain ng hapunan. Well, magluluto ako muna for dinner. Kasi hindi ko alam kung anong ihahapunan namin. Ang pangit ng weather today. Paulan. Gusto ko yung flowers na yan. Kasi pag summer talagang nagbo-bloom siya. So maulan today. So no sunbathing for me and Molly. I'm having some snack. It's a cheese twist. I'll make this inside. Okay. So it's like a breadstick. It's really yummy. I'm having some snacks because I'm hungry and we're not having dinner yet. So I'm having nibbles. Husband cooked some dinner. Sweet potato, normal French fries, tomato, peppercorn sauce, kebab, and steak. Kain tayo, yummers! I'm just gonna prepare the dessert. So strawberries, meringue, and cream. Show you how to prepare the dessert. So first is slice the strawberries like whatever shape you like. I washed it already. So. Put the meringue on it. I usually like put 1.5, and then just break it. The cream. So pour mo lang cream. Just pour the cream. And then just mix it. There you go. And it's ready to eat. Yummy!